It is here at Broadcasting House where the veteran broadcasters nurtured their careers. They retired and some of them have not met for the past 20 or 30 years. And so, when they trooped to Fred's ranch in Isinya, it was a spectacle.
We managed to put together 98 people to come over and just celebrate life, celebrate broadcasting, celebrate VOK, KBC, Baba na Mama.
It went beyond my imagination when I became a founder.
A hug here, firm handshakes there, and any other forms of greetings. These are some of the pioneers of broadcasting in Kenya. They were the darlings of viewers on TV.
Good evening, viewers. Here is the news read by Margaret Mutongi. First, the headline.
And listeners on radio.
Nilikuwa nikisema hamjambo nyote. Ifuatayo ndiyo taarifa habari na kwanza ni muktasari wake mkisomewa na Kibiego Arab Kangogo.
Amina Faki mje mimi mtoto wa Kijomvu kwetu Njomvu kuu.
The veterans and icons of broadcasting were here.
All of you have been my colleagues. Some of you came when I'd already left. I was there to get Joseph Warungu into this arena. He was teaching somewhere in Nyeri.
The essence of the reunion punctuated the speeches.
Hizi tabia za kwenda mazishi ya marafiki wachana na hizo tabia. Muende muonane ana kwa ana, musalimiane, mukumbatiane, mufurahiane. Hiyo ndio maisha.
We need to meet often, laugh, and hug each other and move on.
The most senior of them all was John Mwakitawa, who was employed years before Kenya attained independence.
Barua yangu ya kuandika kazi, hata letterhead yake ilikuwa imeandikwa Colony and Protectorate of Kenya. Ninayo kopi hapa, nikaandikwa tarehe 21 mwezi wa 4 mwaka wa 59. Na mshahara wangu ulikuwa shilingi 346 na senti 83. Na wakati huo si pesa kidogo. Zilikuwa zimenitosha.
Mwakitawa's patriotism led him to lie to his BBC boss when on secondment in London, he was tasked to interview Kenya's founding father, the late Mzee Jomo Kenyatta, at the Lancaster talks and refer to him as leader of darkness and death.
Sema mimi niende kuita prime minister wangu atakuwa prime minister, nimuite leader of darkness and death.
Such hilarious experiences were plenty.
His Excellency President Moi, while overflying Badolite, ikauliza bado what? Ikaambiwa Badolite. GB, how can Badolite start with G?
Broadcasting safari rally in a chopper accompanied by a racist commentator was not easy either.
Maana alikuwa anafanya aerobics huko juu, ndege inapelekwa hivi, inapandishwa, inateremshwa. Mwafrika yuko pale ndani, wewe ikienda hivi unakwenda nao, ukienda hivi yani wanakufanya uchafuke roho ili kwamba waweze kuchukua.
There was also a moment of owning up, if you like, the what you didn't know about them.
I'm a trained teacher by profession, but a journalist by passion. Everything that I have learned, people think I took it up from KTN or BBC training. I took it from KBC when I came there, very raw and very naive.
Camera work was my first job, not TV news. That's what I loved most. That's why I came to VOK. But I got to reading news and I also got to love it.
I walked straight from a master's class at the University of Nairobi kwa sababu ya hiyo barua iliyokuwa imetoka kwa Public Service Commission ikiniambia kwamba niende kwa Broadcasting House.
And do you remember Alice Tabu, who pioneered the cookery show Mke Nyumbani?
Hawa kupika na makaa tutaweka kando, manake wanachafua studio. Wacha tumlete Alice Tabu atupikie mapishi na stima.
And how is life after KBC?
I know Gwata and we have been to different countries to train weather presenters. Huko, I think Uganda, Burundi. lakini tumeenda after Vietnam.
Me, I'm retired but I'm not tired. Mi nasema twende mbele. Ufikirie sasa ni vipi utaweza kuimpact the communities and other people in your next phase of life.
Besides the past and the present, the icons concurred on what needs to be done going forward.
When we meet, we should actually be launching 1 or 2 of our books so that we document our lives for the future generations.
If some of these veteran broadcasters are familiar to you, then you are probably a veteran listener or viewer of KBC. Congratulations. Reporting for KBC News, I'm Kennedy Osir.